First, the top stories. Chief Minister N. Biren greets on Ningol Chacoba. Effort on to hold feast fair on Imoinu 2, says H. Dingo. India logs 830 new COVID cases, one death in 24 hours. Hello, good evening. You're watching PONYTV English News. I'm CHRISTINA LEIVON, and now the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren conveyed his warm wishes to all the people of Manipur, especially to the Ningol of the soil on the auspicious of Ningol Chacoba Festival, which is the biggest festival of the state. We celebrate it every year. In his message, he said that the women of Manipur plays an important role in the society. Women of Manipur always try to safeguard the younger generation and has been fighting against drug abuse. They do so both as a patrol and in protest, seeking redress against human rights violation committed by paramilitary and armed forces units against the innocent. He also wished to all the women from different communities on the auspicious of Ningol Chacoba.
Ningol Chacoba lakpasida aina Manipur gi ima ise isel miyamda yaifa pawjel pijabaga loinana aikhogi pothokna aikoi busak takseba aikoi pothokna aikoi senmilon oibagi sanabi haukhrabanina hantak I Ningol Chacoba sidasu mapan gi potta mipan tangdana aikoi gi puthokchariba state adagi moma gi makhada organic ki puthoiba masigi mayam sina mahut silakanda mapan gi polam sing sinanabi ganabasu aigi maikai dagi ai ima singda isan singda ise singda appeal tawjari na sugumba nungairaba nungsikraba numit asida singtam khaidana mabung mopa punamangna mase machan sing mama singbu nungsi sanana sakchara ama saminraga kobiraga adugumba isorgumlabi laigumlabi ima sing isan sing ise sing adudagi punsi nungsangna laibaga si ingna sikna tapna aikoi amatoina chingmi tami naidana aikoi punna himinaba yananabagi blessing ado isan singdagi ise singdagi ima singdagi aikoi nupa oibasingna lahausi haiba numit asida gari thauba lambi satpa matamda speed tapna tapna sapidana asokapan yaudaba aduga ingna chingna mabung mapa singi mapa masan singi mache singi apunba nungai minaba bor pinabagi numit haidana haijaraga mayam punamukta amukka hanna ima sing isan sing ise sing na khoigi mapandagi ngasi Manipur ingna chingna leiba aikoi ngamjare matam punamukta aikoi bor pibiu aikoi bulamjang biu haidana Ningol Chacoba lakpu mari leina mayam dai yaifa pawjel su pijat.
Textile, Commerce and Industries and Cooperative Minister Nemcha Kipgen convey her warm wishes to all the people of Manipur, especially to the Ningol of the soil on the auspicious of Ningol Chacoba Festival, which is celebrated every year on the second day of the new moon. She further stated that the festival continues to bind all the peoples of our state as one close-kin knit family couple with a spirit of love and warmth. Water Resources and Relief and Disaster Management Minister Awangbo Nyumai convey his warm greetings and regards to all the people of Manipur, especially to Ningol of the state on the auspicious occasion of Ningol Chacoba, which is celebrated every year on the second lunar day of the Manipuri calendar. Ningol Chacoba is a special day of the Ningol. The festival is celebrated in the theme of strengthening of bond of love and affection among brother and sister, daughter and parents of the family. Annual Feast Fair cum Feast Crop competition was held at Hapta Kangjebung Palace compound in Phal today. The program was organized by Department of Fishery, was held in connection with Ningol Chacoba, which falls on October 27, 2022. Speaking on the occasion, Fisheries Minister Haikam Dingo Singh said that Fishery Department has been playing a big role to provide the staple diet sufficiently in the state. He said that out of the 52,000 MT of required fees for consumption, the department has enabled to produce 32,000 MT in the year 2019. The government has been focusing on production of fees in consultation with experts from other parts of the country. The government will be able to produce 50,000 MT at present, he added. Minister stated that the pilot project under the initiative of Chief Minister to produce Meitei sareng has been a success. The department has enabled to produce a sareng weighing 3.5 kg, which has been reared from previous year. This year, due to problems faced in procurement of fingerlings, sareng weighing above 1 kg has been produced mainly for the fair, stating that the feast fair is organized only at the time of Ningol Chakoba festival. Minister added that the department will make arrangement to organize feast fair during Imoinu Iratpa also. Minister further added that for making fermented fish, the department is targeting to increase the yield of locally available pabo nga instead of procuring fishes from other states of the country. Minister Dingo appealed to all stakeholders to extend support and cooperate and fishery department to increase fish yield in the state. He also appealed to fishermen to refrain from malpractices while catching fish. Heads Balkrishna Singh, Director of Fisheries, said that the fair is organized by the department for the 44th time, comprising of 115 stalls with 200 fish farmers participating. He said 28 cash reward will be handed to the winners of the fish crop competition. He added that the department targeted to produce 1 lakh kgs of indigenous fishes for the fair. For the first time, more than 3,000 kg of local produced fresh sareng has been put up for sale in the fair this year.
Mapanandagi na pwede pabong nasi pwede dahil na po kone mapanandagi siya na kanda masih na pwede hari siya na mo kone jago. Ado masih siya ba pwede state na siya na mapanandagi masalay siya pwede local sila so na ba pwede department sa kanda ni sangan jara kanda dahil ko pabong nasi siya pwede na manipura puto kanda na fresh ba pwede indigenous ba siya ba pabong nasi puto kanda yan na pwede pero siya na pwede fishing department ni kisaga kanda pwede tunga aruga na pragana pwede ngari si siya ba pwede sawa matin na pwede fishing department so yung tagal niya halos.
Nolen Battalion of Assam Rifle under the aegis of 22 Sector Assam Rifles and Inspector General Assam Rifles East organized a lecture-cum awareness program on drug abuse at Namkaulong Village, Nolen District, Manipur, under company operating base El Kuno today. In the present time, drugs are destroying the life of our youth and putting their future in great darkness, leading to one's life more vulnerable and ruined. Hence, the event was organized with an aim to spread awareness on ill effects of drugs in the society and local youths. During the event, a total of 51 local youths, including parents, took the solemn oath to fight against drug abuse and to get involved in nation-building activities. They were also guided and encouraged to enrolling into armed forces for their bright futures. The young generation and other participants were highly motivated and inspired to stop drug abuse and appreciated the consistent effort of Assam Rifle in reaching out the local populace for the same. Let's take a short break. Keep watching.
Yangai ni panba ningol shingi numit ningol Chakoba na lakpada landam asigi ningol singbo
PONYTV gi makai deki ya khabaujal pijai
ningol Chakoba kumhina lakpada nungai phaba watapadaba tangdu leitaba amadi
nungsi chanaba lamdam ama oiba oirasanu haina thongjari ngamjaba mathel khara langjaduna chara chindaminaraga mama mapa amadi mabung opa oiba singa amuka henna mari chetsinaba
yaibi marang kaiba oirashanu
PONYTV wish you a very happy and prosperous Ningol Chakauba 2022.
Welcome after the break. As a part of ongoing Clean India 2.0 and service and empowerment through voluntary action, Nehru Yuva Kendra Thoubal organized a cleanliness drive today at Lilong Usoy-Pokpi Bazaar surrounding and Lilong Haurabi College campus. The cleanliness drive was organized by NKY Thoubal in collaboration with NSS Unit 1, 2 and 3 of Lilong Haurabi College and volunteers of YEDS Moizing. The cleanliness drive with focus on single-use plastic waste began at Lilong Haurabi College campus at 8 a.m. in the morning before heading to the Usoy-Pokpi Bazaar and National Highway. It was participated by an SS officer and student of Lilong Haurabi College, volunteers of NKY Thoubal and YEDS Moizing. Around 150 kg of discarded plastic waste were collected during the drive. Later, the plastic waste were disposed in an eco-friendly manner. At the end of the drive, NSS volunteers of the college were officially enrolled to NYK Thoubal through intensive volunteers enrollment program. The month-long national-wide Clean India 2.0 was launched on 1st October by the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Thakur at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Since its launches, NYK Thoubal has been conducting similar cleanliness drive and social service on daily basis throughout the district, and it will be carried on up to October 31st. Petrol and diesel prices can be noticed fluctuating in some districts of Manipur. In Senapati, the petrol price have decreased to 0.49 paise per litre, while in Thoubal it has increased to 0.5 paise. With this, the petrol price per litre in Senapati is rupees 101.71, and in Thoubal the petrol price liter is 101.42. On the other hand, in Senapati the diesel price have came down to 44 paise, and in Thoubal it is 4 paise. With this, the diesel per litre in Senapati is rupees 87.59, and for Thoubal it is rupees 87.32 respectively. Following a shootout incident on yesterday night, tension erupted in the Natunagar neighborhood on the outskirts of Agartala, Tripura. At least 2 people were injured by gunfire in the incident that occurred in front of a restaurant by the highway. The police met to arrest in relation to the shooting incident that occurred close to Agartala today morning. The arrested persons have been identified as Prabhakar Ghosh, 40 years, and Santosh Das, 35 years old. The Tripura police informed that the accused had fired as many as 4 rounds of bullets from a small firearm. Both the arrested persons are known to be close associates of local BJP MLA Dilip Das and have been involved in several crimes, including narcotic smuggling. India recorded a total of 830 fresh COVID cases along with 1 fatality due to the infection in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's overall COVID tally to 4,46,45,768, while the number of active cases came down to 21,607. The total death toll in India stands at 5,28,981, taking the daily positivity rate at 0.05%. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.77% as per the data. Now let's look to the headlines once again. Chief Minister and Biren breathes on Ningol Chakauba. Efforts on to hold fees fair on Imoinu 2, says H. Dingo. India logs 830 new COVID cases, 1 death in 24 hours. That's the end of today's bulletin. Thank you for joining us.